So function from a set A to set B, the definition is, so the function f from A to B is a function if for every element of A has a unique image in B. That means F is a relation, means F is a subset of across B with the following two properties. One property is domain of F equal to A, and second condition, when x y1 belongs to F and x y2 belongs to F, then then y1 is equal to y2. So this is the image is unique. So x has an image y1, same x has an image y2, and this image is unique. So y1 is equal to y, not y1 not equal to y. If y1 not equal to y2, then x has two images. The image is not unique. So image is unique. Y is unique for x, every x, and domain of F is equal to A, means all elements of A are used in x. Then it is a function. So for every element of A, this is means domain of F is equal to A, and a unique image in B means y1 is equal to y2. Then it is a function. This is the definition of the function of function. In one case, the function is into function. When the function is into function, the condition is range F is a proper subset of B, not equal. And number two, onto function. Onto function is also called surjection. The condition is range F is equal to B. And in another way, the function can be many one. Many one when x1 y belongs to F and x2 y belongs to F with x1 not equal to x2. That means x1 and x2 are two distinct elements of A and they are related to single y, image y, then that is many one type of function. And another type is one function has a synonym injection. And here condition is that when x1 not equal to x2, this implies y1 not equal to y2. So different x have separate images. Separate y1 for x1, separate y2 for x2. Then this is one condition. Otherwise, when y1 equal to y2, it implies x1 is equal to x2. So total 4 types of functions. That is many one into one into many one onto 4 one onto this onto the injection and surjection, also called bijection. So many one into we have this figure 2x single y, one into have this figure. Here range F is subset of G and one onto many one onto have this figure. Here range F is equal to B. So here B elements extra unrelated exist. Here all elements used, that is range of F is completely equal to B. And for bijection, the Venn diagram is like this: one and on. This is bijection. So it is unknown and also onto range F is equal to B. These are 4 types. So real functions so the function whose domain and range are subsets of real numbers. Are called real functions. So when xy belongs to F, equivalently we say y is function f image of x. Y is fx, and dom f is the set of all x belongs to A such that xy belongs to F, and range F is the set of all y belongs to B such that xy belongs to F. So domain means set of all first coordinates of xy in F, and a range means set of all second coordinates, that is y values used in B, that is a range.